Ayan, educational purposes po. Ano na tayo? 7, part 7 na. So, I choose topic is the common injury happen during or after landing and jumping in the basketball or volleyball athlete. So, uh, emphasize the two, the sprain and strain. So, what the differences between? So, first is sprain. Sprain is injury to a ligament. So, meaning from bone to bone, there's a ligaments. So, ang ligaments is both from this one, there's a ligaments in this part. So, pag nag-break siya, sprain ang tawag doon. So, nakrack yung ligaments dito, dalawang joint na magkasama. Yan yung sprain. Commonly, maliit lang siya from bone to bone. So, yung ligaments lang yung maliit lang ng muscles ay hindi, ligaments ang naapektuhan. Then, yung sprain is occurs in the ankle or the injury to the muscles. So, si strain, meron na siyang involved na muscles. So, pagka nabalik ko during the landing of the player from basketball and then volleyball, landing, then commonly, sprain ang tawag kasi ligaments lang ng ACL. Pagka strain naman, may kasama ng muscle. So, mas high level na yung injury ng strain kesa sa sprain. So, from summary, si sprain, si ligaments lang. From bone to bone, there's ligaments. Pero sa strain is from bone to muscles. So, ma-involve na siyang muscle na break or na-tear yung muscle to bone. Is the strong ano na ito, injury. Hindi na siya common. Common lang yung sprain o baliko. Yun lang. Thank you.